In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Uber account. Maybe you're looking to take a break from ride-sharing services, or perhaps it's just time for something new. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through every step of this process. Let's start by heading over to the Uber website. In your web browser, you want to visit Explore the Uber platform, which is their main landing page for both riders and earners. This is where you'll begin the process. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon or your name on the top right corner of the page. This indicates where your account settings are located. Click on your profile icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, find and select the Manage Account option. This is your central hub for any major adjustments you want to make to your personal and account information. The next step is to locate and click on the Privacy and Data section. Privacy is crucial, especially online, and this is where you have control over your data and how it's managed by Uber. Here, you'll see various privacy options. Look for something labeled either Privacy Center or similar. Click on it to proceed. In the Privacy Center, there is a variety of different functionalities. For our purposes today, focus your attention on the Account Deletion option. It might feel a bit nerve-wracking, but remember, following this guide, you'll complete everything smoothly. Now that you've clicked on Account Deletion, Uber will typically ask for a confirmation. This step is important as it ensures that you're completely certain about removing your account. Confirm your decision by clicking on Accept. If prompted, you may have to enter some additional information to verify your identity further. Be sure to provide accurate details. Once confirmed, your account won't immediately vanish. Instead, Uber keeps it temporarily inactive for 30 days. This allows you to reactivate your account should you change your mind. If, however, you let these 30 days pass without logging into Uber, your account will be permanently deleted, including your past ride history and preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process to delete your Uber account. Whether you're leaving for good or rethinking your ride-sharing habits, managing your digital presence is always important. Stay informed and take control of your data. I'm glad you joined me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to review these steps.